Hi everyone. So today we're going to do a special reading. As we all know, it's the month of Shravan that's going on. Sawan ka mahina is going on. So and when we'll post this video, it will be Mahashivratri. Sawan ki Mahashivratri jo hoti hai. It will be that day on 23rd of July. So I thought why not bring to you a special guidance message from Lord Shiva. Let's see what he has to say for the people whom the reading would be reaching up to. So please think upon a question that you need guidance for. Close your eyes, calm out your breaths, and think of the question that you want an answer for. This is going to be a one card reading. एक card pull out करेंगे हम इसमें, and we'll see what message Lord Shiva has for all of us here. So an absolutely beautiful card has come out for the reading. If you can see, this says Rajas. The card says Rajas. Card exactly Shiva energy को denote करता है. By what ways? जैसे हम जानते हैं, Shiva energy is all about dynamic movements. It is about aggression. It is about taking actions. And then वो सब करने के बाद you need a resting phase as well. तो the card here is telling us कि हमको for people who have taken a lot of action orientation, जिन्होंने बहुत. So the card also tells us कि there has been a lot of action taking, जहाँ पर आपने पिछले कुछ टाइम में बहुत ज़्यादा you very passionate about something that you're wanting to work on. उसके लिए आपने कुछ you have taken some preliminary steps also. आप बहुत ज़्यादा you're bringing in a lot of creativity to the work, जो आप पहले सोचते थे कि this work मतलब ये आपसे हो ही नहीं पाएगा. उसमें आप एक renewed hope और energy के साथ आ रहे हो, and you'll be able to complete. The best part is that you'll be able to complete the work जहाँ पर आप सोच रहे हो कि these are my goals that I want to achieve for maybe let's say for the coming next 6 months. तो आप उस passion को continue रखोगे and you'll be able to achieve those goals is what the card is telling us here. At the same time, it is also talking about you can see a tiger here going into a very steady movement. हमें पता है tiger बहुत सोच समझ के चलता है, बहुत it takes easy steps, but then when they see their catch, their prey, तो they make fast movements for it. आपने पिछले जितने भी टाइम में जो भी अपने efforts डाले हैं, those are going to be fruitful for you now. So Rajas energy, as the card says, Rajas energy is extremely important to manifest our goals, to bring our goals into reality. So yes, that is what the card is all about. I would say कि ये बहुत ही hopeful and very positive card for people who had that thing in mind कि हमारा जो भी desire है वो fulfill होगा कि नहीं होगा. So Lord Shiva energy is actually telling you that you have a lot to look forward to and a very good life coming up for you in all the aspects.
If you found this reading insightful, please like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with future content. You can also learn tarot, numerology, akashic and psychic reading from me. Please contact on the numbers given.